the double single bed. Guys, double single bed. Oh, nice siya, oy. See? Durable ka siya. Ang sa made ang iyang kuan daw yan. Nangutaan na sila. Ang sa yung material. Tapos, I still day bakal ang ilalom. Bakal ba dyan ang ilalom sa folding bed? Double size ni siya, guys. Double size. Ang sa material niya, made of durable siya, good siya. Durable siya, guys. Double folding bed size. The size is double. Mo ni ang double niya, guys. And we have also double folding bed. Double size. And we have also single size. Single. This is the single. Single size folding bed. Oh, nice color. Made of durable. Si bakal yun siya. Bakal yun siya, guys. Ang dami ko. And our display here, other colors. Napa mga line colors there, guys. You can also make your buyo sa iyahang chair. Unsa kay material ni gamit ana iya? Strap. Hard material strap. Oh, hard material strap. Made of hard material strap. He's making the chair. Hard material strap. Hard material strap. Material strap and bakal. Again, this is the double size folding bed and the single size, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Our display folding bed. Single size, double size. Single and double size available. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.